What you calling her?
Mother! Mother! Mother!
My voice hurts so bad.
Wait. Poor baby. The baby girl, don't let Adam hurt you. Bad Adam.
How mouth?
Bad Adam. Why does your hair feel so bouncy?
Because it's cold.
So bouncy.
Why do you smell good, Maverick? What
Wait,
did
let
you
me
put on
smell
there?
Nothing.
It smells like purple.
Wait.
She smells like purple.
What does purple smell like?
Lavender.
What does lavender smell like? That's a color.
It's also a plant flower thingy.
Oh yeah.
Dude.
Or periwinkle. I put my nose in her hair. Ow.
Nadia, I feel like you need to take a long bath.
You need to, Nadia.
I always do.
Well, you gotta take a shower now. You gotta start taking showers.
Yeah, shower. We shower.
You know how to take a shower?
Yeah.
You ever took a shower before?
Yes.
How do you take showers?
We get in the shower, turn on the shower. We put shampoo on and then rub it and then.
What about your body?
Yeah, rub your body
Want more shirts like that?
and rub your armpits with Adam's butt.
Yo, Mom.
My name is Mumford. I was a little dog. Mumford.
Wait, little Mumford foo pooped on your pizza. Hopped over to Daddy and bumped Brandy on the head. Boop.
Nadia, tell us a joke. Let's see if you know the meaning of jokes yet. Because Matthew and Lauren still don't. So let's see if you can tell us a
Okay.
joke. One that makes sense, okay? A good one.
I'll tell you a joke.
Okay, go.
Yo, Mom's so old. Her first Christmas was the first Christmas. No, that is a real joke.
That's a good one.
You know that explain it.
Wait, I think I know this one because I got it from Minions Yogurt. They tell jokes. So, what is, wait.
Get it together.
I don't remember them.
Finkel and I are really hard.
Think. This is how I think. For math. I just Oh, I farted. Okay. What does wait. A minion pirate
So you tell it, AJ.
Okay, what does an Egyptian... Oh, wait, it's my yogurt, so I do it. What does an Egyptian minion eat after a banana split? A tater tot. They tell bad jokes, you know. They're yogurts. They're so dumb.
An Egyptian minion.
I don't think that makes any sense.
I know. They're so dumb yogurts.
Tell one more then.
Oh wait, I know one. Don't do mine.
Yo, Mama's so fat. When she died in Call of Duty, she got a 5-player streak.
Okay, ready? Knock knock.
Oh no, not these ones.
Who's there?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Boo.
Boo hoo.
Why are you crying over a joke? That's the only ones that funny that I know.
You're not allowed to tell jokes ever.
Why?
Yes, we are.
Aiden's first one was funny.
You need to practice. You should get a joke book and memorize them.
Hey, I
I watched them on YouTube.
Give me a favorite comedian.
know. Little
That's
mama.
Little Mama jokes.
Oh.
I watched 100.
Even the Call of Duty one?
Yeah, it was in that one.
Okay, tell another real mama joke then.
I watched 100.
Okay, tell me one of them.
Okay,
Okay,
hold on.
I know one too.
Wait.
Hold on.
Both?
Okay, so Yo Mama's so hairy when she plays Five Nights at Freddy's, they think she's already in a suit.
You gotta relate to the audience, Nadia.
So are you guys hairy? I'm not offending you. Oh, this took 5 minutes.
Yo Mama's so short. She committed suicide by jumping out of bed. My mom told me.
What?
When you hear yourself.
Yeah, and you'll never do that.
I know.
That's only not good for anybody.
Kiss the camera, never mind.
Okay,
Mine.
you can do jokes.